aware na ko na, sige, kahit ko aware, ana.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Is it okay if we are going to conduct an interview about GMO? So, question number 1. Are you aware about GMOs?
Actually, no.
Question number 2. Do you know any products of GMO?
Durian. Durian. Pero mga, di ba, di culture na siya?
Yes.
Durian sa nag-native, gagmay kayo.
And the last question is,
Am I correct?
the last question is, based on the orientation given a while ago, do you agree on the existence of these organisms?
GMO.
I'm not aware.
But do you agree on
Do
the
you agree,
existence?
ma'am?
I agree.
Why?
Why? Major.
But to produce better products.
Possible. Pero daghan na siya og mga kailangan nga mga chemicals para harmful sa human beings. So, di ko mo agree kana daghan chemicals nga ilimbutan. Mas mo prefer ko og kadtong natural, organic naman.
Yes. One thing.